Welcome back to the Hyundai Tucson electronic handbrake problem, and we've managed to take the central console apart and bring the unit out now to my workshop. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take you through taking it apart, and then we'll look together to see what the fault is. So here's the unit. Just flipping it over, you can see the unit here. Remove this section out. You just pinch and you can pull that to remove it from the box. The 4 brass screws you can see, that just releases the electronic circuit board. You don't need to do that. So what you need to do is remove the silver pins that you can see there, the 4, and the brass pin just at the back. Okay, I've loosened those, so I'm just going to remove them out. Give my finger in front of the camera. I'm not used to doing this. That's good to go. And so is that one, I think. Yeah. Come on. Whee. All fingers and thumbs today. So unscrewing the last little brass one, which holds it together. And now what we can do is we can lift this unit out. Okay, so there you go, a little bit of force, nothing broken, and we've got the unit. So putting this to one side, here's the little offending article. Now you see here it has 2 brass fixings, so just undoing those should release the cover from the handbrake. Let me just pause again whilst I do that. Okay, I've got those out, and now the only thing holding it in are these 2 little lugs here. So what you want is a really fine screwdriver just to raise those up gently so you don't break them. Let's see what I've got. There's a little screwdriver here, watchmakers, and I'm going to go in from the side. Raise that up, and then do the other side. I'll pause again while I do that. Okay, that's done. So now we can just lift the cover off to reveal the rocker switch. So let's have a look and see what we've got here. So we've got the 2 switches, or the push rods that go through to the micro switches underneath. And in here, I think we'll find the problem. In fact, if you have a look at the top of the micro switches, I believe the 2 little plastic lugs have broken off. And if we look deep inside here, they're buried at the bottom. Okay, I've just put the lights on and you can just make them out at the bottom of there. What I'm going to do is use my tweezers and I'm going to pull them out and we'll have a look. Well, I've come across a problem here. They're not easy to get out this way. So what I've done is I've had to release these tabs at the top and actually take the switch apart and remove them from this end. Now you can see these tabs which connect in there and to those lugs we looked at earlier. So we need to try and glue or fix these back into position. So what we'll do is I'll experiment for a little while and then join you again for video 4 to show you if I was able to fix the problem.